Hi everyone. Sometimes, just for the health of it, I like to substitute a meal with a smoothie. And if you just have yogurt and fruit, that's not enough. So today I'm going to share with you my super delicious smoothie that has a lot of goodies in it. There's no way you're going to be hungry after that. So I am going to start with 1 cup of yogurt. Over here I have sunflower seeds, I have pumpkin seeds, walnuts, and Brazil nuts. So it's probably a total of, I would say, about 3 tablespoons of nuts. And then I am going to add, just for the good omega-3, 1 tablespoon of flax seeds, some dried goji berries, about a tablespoonful, and even more antioxidants. I am adding about ½ a cup of frozen blueberries. You can use fresh as well. I'm also adding just a few slices of ginger, just as such. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of honey, about maybe ½ a tablespoon, just for the fun of it. And then give it a good blend. So I blended the smoothie for about 2 minutes. It has to be well blended because it has a lot of nuts and seeds, and the ginger needs a little extra blending. But it becomes a very nice and delicious smoothie that has an awesome flavor, taste, and most importantly, color. Well, it's not the most important, but it looks pretty. I hope you tried this smoothie recipe, and if you like this video, please share, like, and subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye!